Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Today we're going to take a look at this add-on this residence is going to do. So basically they're going to add in, I'm going to call it 4 different zones that we're going to be working with. We got a balcony up here, kind of a reclining area with a fireplace over here, and I'm guessing this is going to be like for a dining table or something of that nature over here. And let's go ahead and just look at some of the dimensions that we have here. Some of the crucial dimensions is the height. So we have this 8'8" to this point, and then we also have a 10 foot to the inside of the soffit up here upstairs, 8'1" with a 9 foot height of the soffit. You can see that these portions of the soffits are 2'6". I think I got them over here too, at about 2'6" off the edge of the wall. And so we have almost 8 foot opening here, and then these 3 different openings, 9'2" I have, 8'4", and let's see here, I don't have that one. Let me just go here real quick. And 12'1" on that one. Okay, so and up here I believe that's the same 12'1". Also the opening on the floor up here 17 feet, 17 feet down here, and of course we can add that up here. So and there's one more section over here I have, which was 6'5" from this edge wall here to the soffit here. So all right, so there's the first plan I'm not really interested at all in, and that would be placing heaters like here, 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 and at this edge here we really can't do, because I think we have this fireplace. This is combustible behind this wall here, I think, so we have to eliminate this one. But the other reason why I don't like this is obviously the coverage is not that well at all, and you're not going to really cover the space that you're intending to cover. So this was an option I'm not looking at and I'm not interested in, but just to show the customer that's what it would look like. The second one is fairly good. So you can see up here I have 2 heaters. These are 6,000 watt units up there. They're going to be flush mounted. Here's 2 6,000 watt units flush mounted. But over here I have a little dilemma, and that dilemma is, I'm going to go over here real quick, is that we have these fans, and I need to maintain 18 inches of clearance from the edge of the heater. Let me just go in here. So we got 18 inches from the edge of the heater to this surface over here. I have to have 18 inches. And with that being said, this opening 9'2", and this one over here 18 inches off the edge, you can see that my ray is really close to this fan, and I'm not quite sure if that's going to be okay or not. This fan blade, I don't know what their actual dimensions are. However, it needs to be 18 inches away from this edge here, so that might be a concern. This one here is a little bit smaller, and so that spacing is going to be a lot closer. I don't want this ray to hit that fan blade, and that's my concern again. So the other thing I want to mention is if I take this section of the roof off, flush mount heaters require this 8-inch height here, and you can see here I have this section of the roof as close as I can to the actual drawing. So that being said, if I had 2x4 supporting this section of the roof, then I will most likely be penetrating those 2x4s, and I don't know that that's going to be okay either. So that's something else that we can discuss, but that's another consideration. Now you could drop these sections of the soffits, the ceiling sections of the soffit down. Let's say we just pull it down, maybe I don't know, maybe 4 inches, and then we'll have, if we move the heaters down with it, then we'll have that clearance. But at this point, I don't think we have that clearance on this particular heater. The rest should be okay. So in any case, there's a starter for this application. These sections will be nice and well covered. You can see that the I'm actually just going to lose the floor plan real quickly here, so you can see that the coverage from the house to the outside edge is going to be fairly well with these type of heaters here. Again, it's just a matter of this fan and maintain that 18 inches. So all right, there you have it. This area here is not being considered, and and these are all 6,000 watt Infratech CD or WD with flush mount kits. Thank you and have a great day.